nice of him to pull off and wave me by, but it's never a good idea to wave somebody by in a turn, especially when a pull-off's 100 feet away. Just go to the pull-off. It's a lot safer for both of us, especially me. And I'm not in any hurry, so you do what you want. If I have to, I'll get around you. This road's remarkably clean for how much rain and bad weather we got last night. Still some wet patches, but really good condition. There's the Chinese Corvette Club, both of them. She's up there waving me by. Just go to the pull-off. Just get up to the speed limit and go to the pull-off. And stop crossing the double yellow line. There's no excuse to cross the double yellow line. See, here's a pull-off. This is the third time this week that I've gotten a decent pass through here. In the video I posted yesterday, one of my buddies in Florida posted, "This must be AI." Made me laugh because I haven't heard from him in a while. So if you're watching this one, ruler of the free world, it looks like I got another good pass today. 2 Jeeps and a Chevrolet, not bad. There's nothing coming at us. 129 photos. Hey, welcome to North Carolina. I will say these Michelin Pilot Road 5s on a Honda VFR really feel good. I'm about 2,000 miles into this set of tires. I don't think they're going to last much longer. But they've already paid for themselves. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Pedestrians have the right of way.